Discover the secrets to choosing the perfect AI chatbot for your business. Watch now to unlock the power of chatbot technology. Are you looking to provide your customers with the best possible customer service? Well, chatbot technology is becoming increasingly popular as a way to manage customer inquiries and boost ROI. But before you jump in, it's important to consider user requirements, budget capabilities, deployment processes, and more. In this video, we'll be showing you the important steps that you need to take in order to choose the best AI-based chatbot for your business. So buckle up and get ready to learn more about how to just unlock the power of chatbot technology. Are you ready to get started on your journey to unlocking the power of chatbot technology? Then make sure you subscribe to 33 Cubed and keep watching to learn the important steps you need to take in order to choose the best AI chatbot for your business. Chatbot technology is becoming more and more important for businesses that want to improve their customer service. Knowing which type of chatbot is best for your business can make a big difference in how successful you are at engaging customers. To figure out what kind of chatbot is right for you, you need to do some research. Think about things like user requirements, budgets, deployment capabilities, and potential ROI from the tech innovation. Taking the time to research the market before investing in new technologies like chatbots can help you make sure that you're using them cost effectively and successfully with positive results. What other things should businesses be considering when researching and investing into chatbot technology? When researching the market for chatbot technologies, businesses need to be taking a look at what their competitors are using in order to figure out which is the best fit. Additionally, it's important to think about how easy it is to use the chatbot and how well it can scale. These factors have a big impact on how successful you are with this technology. Finally, think about how you want people to interact with a chatbot. Would they prefer to use voice or text? Ultimately, investing in the right kind of chatbot program is key if you want to get the most out of automated customer service. So what strategies do organizations use to build an effective and efficient chatbot system? Organizations need to focus on building the right chatbot to get the most out of it. They can use a design interface to create a perfect AI-powered bot tailored to their needs. It's important to consider things like tone and timing when configuring conversations with customers so they feel heard and understood by your customer service team. Additionally, providing helpful content that users can access from within the bot makes interactions more pleasant and helps customers quickly find solutions, improving their experience. Finally, integrating voice recognition technology like natural language processing enables the chatbot to respond to user inputs in a conversational way, ultimately improving engagement rates over time. So what measures do organizations need to take during the employment process in order to ensure continual success? What do you think about this? Leave a comment with your answer below. When configuring a chatbot, it's important to consider your security settings. Make sure that the data generated by customers is secure and kept confidential. Additionally, it's beneficial for companies to integrate this technology with social media platforms and internal customer portals, so that customers can easily access the information or services they need. This improves the speed of the service and creates a better user experience. Companies can also create different scenarios where bots can lead conversations when dealing with common queries so they can handle these situations independently in the future. In order to ensure continuous success through deployment, organizations should also focus on training employees on how to best use customer and technical support answers that are aligned with industry standards in order to give teams the space to engage in post-deployment conversations together. Exploring experience trends regarding client engagements and feedback, and engaging satisfaction levels across various systems tracked through the portal. What methods do businesses use to optimally implement transitional processes and training for advanced chatbot technologies? When training a chatbot for customer service, businesses should create a library of answers by simulating scenarios that customers might encounter. This helps make sure the bot is giving them accurate and helpful responses, and it's also important to go back and update the content periodically so it stays up to date with changing customer needs. Additionally, companies should integrate analytics tools and progressing on each channel. This helps them identify which channels draw more leads and which are better at resolving help tickets. Lastly, businesses need to be giving robots and human agents enough space with an assistant script. This helps employees get insights while still allowing them to handle tasks that automated technologies can't. While developing chatbots, organizations should also consider questions like how do organizations effectively test chatbots before launching them? Testing chatbot technology is essential to make sure they work properly before launching. Companies should practice simulations with customer integrations and evaluate how accurate the responses are from both a technical and user experience perspective. This helps make sure that customers can find what they need quickly without any misunderstandings or delays. Businesses can also run various queries on different platforms using multiple scenarios so the bots understand resolutions for common inquiries no matter what platform the customers use. Finally, organizations should be monitoring any real-time feedback post-deployment closely, both automated systems and human team agents within chat scripts while transitioning chatbot technology implementation processes. Testing efforts will provide insights into what works best and help identify potential areas for improvement. How do companies know if an advanced AI-powered chatbot technology is working optimally? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. Once your chatbot is ready to launch, it's important to make sure that it has all the necessary standards. Companies need to review their security and analytics settings regularly and test out conversations with customers before they deploy the chatbot. This helps make sure that customers get the right answers. Additionally, businesses should also have a system in place to collect feedback after the chatbot is deployed. This way, any customer issues can be identified quickly and changes can be made. Finally, customers should have a potential policy in place outlining best practices for human agents when dealing with customer service inquiries. This helps optimize how tasks are distributed between bots and humans humans, while bots will handle simpler commands on different channels and devices. With all these steps in place, how do companies know if their advanced AI-powered chatbot technology is working correctly? To make sure the chatbot is working properly, companies need to monitor the performance and adjust it as customer inquiries change. Gathering data from analytics tools can help organizations find the most efficient outcomes for customers so they can tweak conversations if needed and understand which strategies work best for new requests or queries. It's important for businesses to stay up to date so the bot remains relevant. Updating content-rich resources like a built-in knowledge base helps ensure quick resolutions without making customers wait too long for an answer. Additionally, it's important to set clear rules between personal interact with customers, whether it's through human interaction or automated system assisting teams with conversational AI channels, using industry-standard frameworks like chat scripts. How do savvy companies monetize such advanced chatbot technology? Monetizing chatbot technology is a great way to make money. You can charge your businesses for development and customization services, or you can market your bot directly to customers by connecting to it with a need or quality of life product. You can also set up consulting contracts where companies pay a number of hours per day dedicated to developing their bots based on services and analyze data directed by customer interest. Additionally, many tech startups have found success within self-service platforms that support AI-enabled technologies like chatbots. This allows for low overhead structures and advanced marketing strategies within budget restrictions associated with entrepreneurships and small-scale growth markets. So what are some other potential ways that marketers could earn revenue from creating customized chatbot solutions? Chatbot technology is becoming increasingly important for businesses that want to improve their customer service. And to find out which type of chatbot is best for your business, consider user requirements, budget, deployment capabilities, and potential ROI. It's important to integrate the technology with social media platforms and internal customer portals, and consider security settings and analytics tools to track customer interactions. Additionally, businesses should be creating a library of answers and simulate customer scenarios, as well as set up clear rules for human agents and bots. Finally, companies can monetize their chatbot technology by charging for development and customization services, setting up consulting contracts, or marketing the bot directly to customers. If you're ready to leverage the power of AI to automate your business, don't miss out on this opportunity to learn how in our next video: how to automate your business with AI. Watch now to figure out how to make your business more effective and productive. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and join 33Cube by subscribing and hitting the bell button to stay notified when we post.